Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. I hope you all are also fine, right? Okay. Today, first with beginning, we'll learn something other than grammar. Okay.
Okay,
I want
ma'am.
to speak about. Do you all know what is respect? What is the meaning of respect? Anybody?
That means
Giving respect to others.
elders.
Only elders, Aishwarya, we will give respect.
No, ma'am. We will
No.
give to everyone respect.
We have to respect everyone. We have to respect
means
everyone.
behavior.
Good behavior. You have to be very kind with everyone. You have to be generous. You have to be very soft spoken also. Respect means you have to, it's not respect means just respecting your elders, your parents, grandparents, teachers. That you, everybody teaches, right? Everybody does that. But respect, you have to respect everyone and everyone whoever comes across you. Example,
Help mothers.
not help. We are not talking about helping. We are talking about respecting. Okay. So even like, for example, you must be having house help in your house, or some electrician or plumber comes to your house. So you have to help them also. Like, sorry, respect them also. Whoever it is, even if it is your sibling, you fight with your sibling, that's okay. But you should respect them, which is more important. Respecting your siblings, your friends, your bus driver uncle, your rickshaw chetan uncle, everybody you should respect. It is one of the most important thing we should learn. When you give respect, you get respect. When you give respect, you get respect. If you want, everyone should love you and take care of you. See, for example, I'll tell you one thing. If sometimes some of you all are not there in the class, I ask what happened to them, why they are not there. You know why? Because they always speak with me. So I know these kids. So they are very much regular. They are very giving respect to me. So when they are not there, I'm like, what happened to this child or what happened to that child? Like from Preet. Preet is a very good boy. He's not there in class from last so many days. Yes or no? So I can identify that he's not there. What happened to him? Like that. So it's very important that we should always give respect to everyone. Everyone means everyone. Whether it's your younger brother or a sister, whether it's your teacher, grandparents, parents. Yeah, we do fight. I do understand. Like we all fight with your siblings. Sometimes we fight with the parents also, right? We get angry on them.
Yeah.
Yes. No, I don't want to drink milk. Don't tell me to drink milk always. I don't want to study right now. I will study later on. Everybody does that. Yes or no? Anybody is like,
Yes.
if your parents will tell you pray now, mama, give me some time, let me watch some videos, we'll pray later on, we'll pray later on. Yes or no? This is happening in every house. Yes.
Little times.
Yeah, even like I have a daughter like yours, so I know these things are happening very common. Like you all want to be yourself. Yes or no? Everybody wants to be yourself, but respecting is also important. If you want to be loved, you should be giving respect. Okay? Done? Promise that everybody will respect each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up fast. Good.
Yes,
Switch on your cameras fast, everyone. Okay. Now, today we are going to start with conjunction, subordinating conjunction. In the previous class, I have taught you a list of conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. Today, we'll learn few more conjunctions with. Okay, and we'll revise the earlier ones also. Okay, I will share the screen with you all. Okay, so these are the subordinating conjunctions we are going to learn. So in the previous class, we have learned because, when, since. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Going to learn until. Until means till the time. Until means till the time. Okay. My sentence is, he struggled hard in his bad days until, means till the time he succeeded. He struggled. Yes, right? So the sentence is, he struggled hard in his bad days until he succeeded. Until he succeeded. Okay. Now, Mute Adit. Okay. Now you all have to, Adit, mute. You all have to frame sentences. Raise your hands. Emoji hands so I can see your who is raising. First. And one more sentence I will give you.
Word.
I will not eat my dinner until my father will come home. I will not eat my dinner until my father will come home. Until means once again till the time. Till the time. When we have learned means past and present both will come. Since means past, until means future, till the time. Yes, Adit, give a sentence.
Ma'am, the word is until.
Yes, until.
Ma'am, I will not go to the park until my father will come.
Until my father will come. Until my father will take me along with him. Very good, Adit. Rajan, be active. What happened, Nihara? Yeah, I should emoji hand. Emoji hand. Everyone, emoji hand I want. Because then it will be, I can understand who is raising first and second. Ashwati? Yes, give me a...
I can't talk until the film is over.
I won't speak until the film is over. Good?
Thank you, ma'am.
Rajan?
I want to give to the fish food. Give to fish the food until my grandma wants to come to my home.
Okay, now I will frame his sentence. He's very cute. Okay, he is struggling with his grammar. We'll help him. So I want to give food until my, no, it is like until the time. See, here you have to say, you can use the like before, conjunction, subordinate, before. I want to give the food before my grandma comes home. Okay, so until you have to frame another sentence. Till the time. You can say, I will study until my grandma comes home. Okay? Good one, Rajan. Good try. Even if you're wrong, okay, try it, please. Yes, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am. I will cut my cake when my father, until my father came.
See, what you're trying to say means now, until means, I'll tell you, you will do something till your father will come or something. So you will be cutting the cake till your father will come?
Yes.
How? Or see, here your conjunction is wrong. You will use when my father will come. But here for until you have to give another. We will wait for cake cutting. We will wait for cake cutting until my father will come. Okay, Aishwarya, we will wait for cake cutting until my father will come. Nejad? Those have answered, lower your hand. I want to ask other kids. Those are answered.
I also have one more.
Wait, Nejad.
Don't leave the class until the class is over.
Very good. Give a good clap for him. Don't leave the class until the class is over. Good one. Ashwati, you have already answered. Lower your hand. Aditya have answered because I want to ask. No problem. We will wait. Okay. We have some activities there. We can use your answer. Agnel Sunil. Unmuted. Yes.
I will take my book until my mother comes.
I won't study until my mother comes. You can say like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I won't study until, or I will study until my mother will come. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Aishwarya, your earlier sentence was wrong. So you can give me a sentence.
Yes, ma'am. They played football until it got dark.
Very good. They played football until it got dark. Alga?
Now I understand, ma'am.
Okay.
Please wait.
Alga, we can't hear you. Can you be little loud? Give a clap for Malvika. Good, Malvika. I won't see you until tomorrow.
Thank
Good.
you, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Malvika, you can raise your hand and answer. Like, see, everybody is in queue. So I ask everybody. Even you can try for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Alga. Tell me your sentence. Alga?
Ma'am,
Yes?
least wait until doctor sees her.
Very good. Please kindly wait until the doctor check her. Okay. Very good, Alga. Pius?
Yes, ma'am.
Pius, please tell me.
I won't go. I won't go to the park till my father will come.
I won't go to the park until my father will come. Good, Pious. Agnel, Sunil?
Ma'am, can I hurry go?
Wait, you're in the queue. Hurry. After Agnel, Agnel is done. Agnel, give me a second. Wait, no one more. Then others will not get chance. Hurry, Govind.
Ma'am,
Yes.
held the office until his death.
What?
He held the office until his death.
He worked in the office until his death. He was there until he was good. Dhara?
Ma'am, I will play football until the rain comes.
I will play football until it rains. Very good. Okay, now 1 minute. What about Rupika, Evelyn, Ivana, Rachel, Christina? Please tell me what, Amit.
Ma'am,
What about you all? Why you all are not answering?
ma'am, can
Yes, Rachel. After Rachel, Christina will tell Rachel.
Ma'am, I am playing with my friends until my grandparents will come.
Until my grandparents will come. Until my grandparents will come. Okay, good, Rachel. Christina?
I can't go until he comes.
Very good, Christina. Give a clap for Christina also. Yes, Malvika. One sentence you can tell loudly.
Let's play game until the party start.
Very good, Malvika. What about others? Anamika, Nu. It's not fair. Okay, everybody has to answer. Now, next one is although. What is the next one? Although means opposite. Sometimes you can say although. Although she was tired, she couldn't sleep. Although she was tired, she couldn't sleep. Although I wanted to go for the party, but I couldn't go. Okay, Malvika is ready? What, Adit?
One thing.
What? I did not understand. What happened?
Ma'am, what is the word?
Although. You all didn't see the screen?
Ma'am, can you share again?
Although she was tired, she couldn't see. The word is although. Here it was until. Okay, although. Okay. Yes, Nihara. Okay, not Nihara, Malvika. Malvika has got stuck, I think.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
I
she's-
did not get the word.
Can you be little loud, Malvika?
Ma'am, I did not get the sentence.
Okay, you are thinking. Then lower your hand first. Okay, Malvika. Sorry, not Malvika, Nihara. Amit, emoji hand.
I am going not to mall until the corona start.
Okay, I won't go to the mall until the corona is over. Okay. Nihara, good sentence with until. Now you have to frame sentence with although. Okay, although. Rajan, although.
Although my cousins, I am going to my cousin's wedding, but I couldn't go.
No. Although I wanted to go for my cousin's wedding, I couldn't go. Okay. Although I wanted to go, but I couldn't go. That is a different one. Although I wanted to go, but I couldn't.
Said first one that.
Okay. Although I wanted to go for the cousin's wedding, I could not manage to go. Amit.
Although she ran fast, she lost the prize.
Good. Although she has practiced a lot or she ran fast, she lost the prize. Ashwati? See, most of the time, although and even though will be somewhere same, okay? So no worries about that. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, Ashwati.
Ma'am, although studying.
Even you although can come in between the sentences also, no problem. It is also okay. Okay? Ashwati, after the sentence, you have to correct your name. You keep only Ashwati 4D, that's okay. Only of grammar.
Okay.
Okay, Ashwati, wait. Ashwati.
Although studying French is difficult, it is simpler than you think.
Very good. Although studying French is difficult, it is interesting. You can say it is not simple, it is interesting. Okay. Good,
Okay, ma'am.
Ashwati. Good try.
Thanks.
Sara.
Although I want to go to football, but I have classes.
Although I wanted to go, I have a class. I couldn't go. Christina.
Although the beach was crowded, we still had a lovely day.
Although the beach, which was although the beach was gone. Okay, good. Aishwarya.
Although my friend
Although the beach was beautiful, we had a horrible day.
Very good. Good one, Aishwarya. Alga. Alga Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Those have
Although
answered.
I
Lower your
don't-
hand.
Although I don't want to go my house, but I go.
And not in my house. Although I don't want to go to the party, I have to go. Okay. House, everybody has to go, right? Malvika. Yes, Malvika.
Although she was exhausted, she did not. Morning. Although she was exhausted, sleep did not come.
Very good. Although she was excited, could not come. She did not come. Very good. Okay. What
Thank you, ma'am.
about Evelyn? Evelyn, I want a sentence. Nejat, Ivana, Pius. Pius, sit down and attend the class.
Sun was shining. It wasn't that warm.
Very good. Although the sun was shining brightly, it wasn't that warm. Very good. Hari Govind. Ivana?
Can I?
Wait, Aishwarya, you have already answered. Yes, Ivana.
Although I wanted to go to my auntie's house, but I couldn't go.
Although I wanted to go to my aunt's house, I could not go. Very good, Ivana.
Ma'am.
Yes, Agnel Sunil.
He is rich. Although on the girl
Having some network issue.
friend.
Okay. I can reframe your sentence, Agnel. Okay, it's a good sentence. He was waiting. Although he was waiting. Can you repeat your sentence, Agnel?
I have some network issue.
Sarah, please mute. I can understand. Okay.
He is rich. Although on girlfriend.
No. That's not a correct sentence. Okay, I'll tell something. Agnel, think of another sentence. Good. Good try. Think of another sentence. Okay. What about Akshaj? What happened today? No answers, Akshaj.
I don't give.
Why you think you will get? Even if you're wrong, it's okay. You can try, right? See, trying will make you learn. Yes, Evelyn.
Ma'am, Krishna.
Rajan, you have already answered. So wait. Evelyn.
Ma'am, I didn't know it is correct. I write.
No problem, Evelyn. We are not writing an exam. We are learning. So it's okay.
I wanted to go to hospital, although it is corona.
I wanted to go to the
Hospital.
go for the wedding. Okay, positive way we'll say. I wanted to go for the wedding. It is corona. It is COVID, so I cannot go. Good.
It is police checking. That's it.
Okay. Then somebody, Rachel, you raised your hand, right? Yes, Rachel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was 10 o'clock. Although we did not get the lunch.
No, dinner. Night time we eat dinner. Although it was 10 o'clock, we did not get the dinner. Okay, good. Okay, one more sentence. Although it was very cold outside, I wanted to eat an ice cream.
Ma'am, can I say a sentence?
Okay, Aishwarya, one more.
Although he is rich, he has no happiness.
Very good. Okay, now next one. Next one now, we'll go. If. Next one is if. What is the next one, everyone? If. If means
If.
a condition kind. It would be great if you come for the party. If you study, you will get good grades. Come on, firm sentences. Start. Raise your hand. Okay, emoji hands. Akshar. Try Akshar. Even if you're wrong, no problem. Try. Yes.
Can I?
Wait, Nejat, raise your hand. Yes, Akshar, try.
If I am sick, my mother will care.
If I'm sick, my mother will take care of me. Very good, Akshat. Good try. Adit?
Yes, ma'am. I will not go to the park if my father will not come.
Very good. Nejat?
Ma'am, I can. I study. Although I study, I still fail.
Good, Nejat. Okay, good, Nejat. Now you have to frame sentence with if. Okay, Nejat. Adit, lower your hand.
Ma'am, it's
Rajan? Yes, it was good sentence. Rajan?
Ma'am, I want to going to my friend's home if my grandpa and grandma want to come.
I will go to my friend's house if my grandparents come with me. Very good, Rajan. Give a clap for Rajan. I like all his sentences. Only thing, grammatical errors are there, but still he tries in everything, every time. Do you all notice that? He tries every time. And he has almost 2 to 3 sentences. Good, Rajan, good. Rachel?
Ma'am, if the party cancelled, we go to Mumbai.
If the party gets cancelled, we will go to Mumbai. Very good, Rachel. Ashwati?
I could have gone to the park if there was no corona.
No. If the corona increases, we could not go to the park. Okay? Alga? Alga, just keep your microphone near your mouth. There's some problem with the microphone.
If you ask me, I will give you that.
Very good. If you ask me, I'll give you that. Christina? Ivana, Rupika, be ready.
You will miss the bus if you don't hurry.
Very good. Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am. If it does rain, we get wet.
Very good. Dhara?
Ma'am, if my father will come, I will go to football.
I will go for football match. Very good. Agnes Salim?
If you have a pen, please give me.
Very good. This is also very good. Good one. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, 1 minute. Pius, Savio, Ivana, Hari Govind, Nu, Anamika, Agnel Baiju. Rupika, Amit. Amit gave a sentence.
Ma'am, I got one.
Ashwati, you gave already. You're so simple, Amit. If anything you can think.
Ma'am, can I tell one?
No, next time. If Amit, you're thinking, I'll give you one sentence, okay? If the network is good, if the network is good, I can attend my classes. Yes? Yeah, Rachel has already answered. Nejat. Yes, Nejat, tell me.
If you study hard, you will pass your exam.
If you study hard, you will pass your exam. Very good. Okay. Now, next one is how. Next one is how. Means how. I will tell you how to knit. Let me show how to do this. Let me show how to knit. Knit, you all know what is knitting? Your grandparents do that knitting with 2 sticks. Ding, ding, ding. Like
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Knitting sweaters, sometimes knitting hairbands or buns.
Ma'am, I get.
Okay.
If you invited them, they will come.
Very good. Give a clap for Amit. Good, Amit. At least Amit got. He was thinking he got. Good, Amit. I like that.
Thank you, ma'am. This is the sentence.
Now your question sentence you have to form with how. I will give one more example. It was raining and we did not know how to reach home.
How is this?
Yes, Aishwarya.
Ma'am, how many balloons are there in the basket?
Okay. Where is the second question? Sentence. Give a clap for Ivana. Good, Ivana. Can you show me how to drive a car? Good, Ivana. Okay, Aishwarya, you understood? You just asked a question. There are no two sentences. There should be two sentences, right, to join us, to make a subordinating conjunction. Yes, Rajan? Wait, Harigovind, raise your hand. Fast, emoji hand.
I am Grandpa. I know how is doing this.
I know how my grandpa will do this. Very good. Rajan's all the examples are with grandparents, cousins. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Good, Rajan. Good try. Akshaj, Amit, think fast. Yeah, Amit is ready now. Akshaj.
How old are you?
How old are you? So where is the second sentence? We need two sentences to make our subordinating conjunction. Alga?
Ma'am,
Yes?
will you show me how to do that?
Very good. Will you show me how to do that? Good, Alga. Yes, Adit? Adit?
Ma'am, I asked my Google Assistant how to make a rubber band magic.
Very good. I asked my
Google Assistant.
who is Gokul assistant?
Assistant means it's a Google.
Okay, okay, Google assistant. Google assistant. Okay, Google. Tell Google.
Yeah.
Okay. I asked Google Assistant how to make a show a magic. Very good. Now, one. Okay. Hari Govind. Hari Govind.
How was your holiday?
So, where is the second sentence in this sentence, Hari Govind? Where is the second sentence? You should give me a second sentence also, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you tell me how was your holiday? Can you tell me how was your holiday? Is it correct?
Ma'am, can I tell one, please?
Yeah. Okay, Rajan, he's telling please, so we'll allow him. Okay.
How is do this, my grandma?
No, this is the wrong sentence. You have to think again. Okay, Rajan?
Can please?
Okay, Aishwarya, yes, Aishwarya. Oh, no, please, now I'll not entertain please. Now everybody will say please. Okay, Aishwarya.
I remember how much she liked chocolate.
Very good. Give a clap for Aishwarya. This is also a good thing. I remember how much she liked chocolate. Okay, yeah. So how do these things get made? Can you show how do these things are made? Okay. Can you show me how to pack storybook for birthday party? Good, Ivana Malvika. Yes, Ashwati.
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, we get one.
Okay, wait, Rajan. You have answered. There are so many in the queue. Wait. Yes, Ashwati. Fast.
We missed the bus. So how are we going to get to school?
We missed the bus. So how will we reach school? Very good, Christina.
And can I?
Sorry, Ashwati, Christina. Ashwati, I wanted to say, Christina, next sentence.
How shall I write off my mother?
How shall I?
Write off my mother.
So this is a question. How shall I write off my mother? Okay. Can you tell how shall I write off my mother? Okay. Okay. No.
Can I?
Hey, my dear grandma.
Wait, mute others. Others mute. This is not good. You should give chance to others. No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, come near the mic now. You come near the mic. Very good, Ivana. I will show how to do. No, type your sentence. I think I have network issues.
English grammar and your brother. How are so good?
No, you are facing network issue. Okay, listen. We will continue this in the next class also. Just see. Okay, Rajan, tell me.
My last sentence, please, Rajan Krishna.
Okay, tell.
My dear grandma, how will do this?
How will my grandma do this? Okay.
How? Ma'am, please.
Okay, so what are the conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions we have learned? Because, when, since, although, if, how. Okay, these are the 7 subordinating conjunctions.
Until.
Yes, until, yes. Okay, one more important instruction. You will have your test on Tuesday on adjectives. I have shared the answer key today. Okay, please go through the answer key and prepare. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Okay, in adjective chapter or any doubt, you can ask me. Next class, you will have to, you will have your test. Not next class, next Tuesday. Okay.
It will be a written test or
MCQ. Let me take down your attendance.
Which chapter?
1 minute. Let me take down the attendance. Other teacher is also waiting. Okay. Adit.
Listen, ma'am.
Agnel, Baiju, Sunil, both are present. Agnivesh is absent, right?
Yes.
Agnivesh called me at 11:50 and told that we have a class. Nejat, Aishwarya, Alga, Amit. Amna is there? No, Rajan, wait. Amit is not Amit. Amna is not there. Anamika. Ashwati. Bhumi is not there today.
Ma'am, Anamika is there.
Christina, Darren is not there. Devakrishna, not there.
Ma'am, Bhumi was there.
Bhumi is there.
Was there?
Was.
Yes, she told you she have some guests.
Yes.
Okay. Then Ivan. Hari Govind is there. Ishan is not there today. Ivana is there. Malvika is there. Nihara, Nu, Akshat, Dhara, Payas. Preet is not. What happened to Preet? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Rishi is not there. Rupika. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Rupika
Sachin is there. Savio is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Savio is there. Sarah.
Yeah.
Sarah is not there.
Yes, ma'am. Sarah is there.
Sarah is not attending the class. She's just in the.
Yes,
She has just kept her video on. No, video off.
I was having some network issue.
Okay, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. I just wanted to hear that. Zia and Vaiga. I'm calling out the absentee's name. Okay, please.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Kaita
ma'am.
is there. She went to her mother's mother died, so she had to go to that place. That's why she'll be absent in all classes.
Okay. Thank you for informing. Agnivesh is not there. Agnivesh, Amna, Darren, Devakrishna, Ivan, Ishan, Preet, Rishi, Vaiga, and Zia. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.